G'day folks, Steve from Vintage Restorations Australia here. In today's episode we replace the door panels on these two doors. When I purchased this vehicle it had this acrylic panel put in. I guess they used it for vision on the ground or something, if they were spraying or whatever, to let a bit more light in. Not sure why, but some people like that, but I don't. I want to return it to the original panel that would have been riveted over here. So I'm going to go around, remove that and reinstate a sympathetic looking panel, one that has a bit of patina and things, and put that back in. It's just been siliconed into position. That'll come out fairly easily, or not. Going along with the 3/16 drill bit, clearing all those holes. There's a bit of silicone and stuff in those. So just go along, clear them all. Looks like the holes line up pretty good. I'm just going to put a temporary 3/16 pop rivet in, just to hold this in place while I do the other rivets. I'll pop him in there. These are the 3/16 solid rivets that we use. I ordered those online from the UK. They come in a variety of lengths. Shorter would be better for this job, but these are the ones I've got, so I'm going to use those today. So there's the back of those rivets once they're done. You want them sort of a little mushroomy kind of shape. and looking good. There's number 2 in. Needs a bit of a clean up, but came up quite well. Once these go on, you just want to use a lightweight panel hammer. I've got these little aluminium, quite lightweight ones. And I just tonk down that little top edge. Try not to hit the camera. Turn that edge in a little bit so it's a better seal. You can see there's a little bit of Sikaflex coming out. It's essential with Sikaflex that you give it a clean while it's still wet. Once that goes off, it's really hard. It's pretty insoluble stuff and you've got to use nasty solvents or mechanical means to get rid of it. So a bit of mineral terps on that now, and just give it a little wipe off before it sets. That kind of wraps it up for this episode, folks. I hope you agree that these look way better than the acrylic that was in there. I'm pretty happy with that, and hope the patina matches sort of evens out over the next few years. If you've got any questions, queries, or just general comments, pop them down there in the comments section. Also, if you haven't subscribed, we'd love it if you subscribe. Also, like and share away. Until next time, take care of yourselves, folks.